how was your experience with the Educated Trade?
I had an invaluable experience with Educated Trade. Received hands-on mentorship from Chris, who was our mentor and guide, and Anju as well. She helped quite a bit, and I learned quite a bit. It was a good experience.
I'm Santosh Shashukan, and it was my pleasure to share my trading strategies which I have learned here in Educated Trade, and I truly appreciate the support and learning environment they are provided in a trading floor with the top professional trading mentors and staffs. Thank you once again.
So my name is Gaurav. Coming from a different educational background, I never expect to gain so much knowledge of finance. Thanks to the mentors Chris and Anju, who helped me in this journey a lot in financial analyst. That was truly amazed me and transformed me as a financial sector. Thanks to the Educated Trade.
Hello, I'm Mihir. I also come from a non-trading background, but I had this opportunity to gain a detailed understanding of how different macroeconomic events affect the stock and the forex markets.
Hi, I'm Daniel. As someone who's trading, I really love the support that Educated Trade gives to people, and the telecom fundamental analysis helps me to build a system that does for me.
Thank you.